Hey everybody, it's Bobby here, and today we're going to do something that I really, really like, and that is a fruit smoothie. Let's talk about smoothies for a moment. They are very healthy and can be very nutritious, or they can be very fattening and unnutritious. And there are a few tips that I want to give you on making a smoothie. First thing is I like to use very cold water when I'm making a smoothie. Nothing like a tepid smoothie to tamp your appetite and make you not want it. And I also enjoy using frozen fruits. I think it's perfectly fine, and it makes for a nice cold, icy smoothie. I do like to go, especially with strawberries. I do like to go organic with strawberries. With the peaches, yeah, I didn't. But with strawberries in particular, I do like to go organic. So simple ingredients, the fewer the better. The best smoothies to me have just water and fruit and maybe a couple of flavor ingredients. And today, our little extra flavor ingredients are going to be a little bit of ginger and a little bit of lime juice. Now, when I wake up in the morning, the first thing that I do is drink some lemon water, some fresh squeezed lemon into a cup of warm water. It's really important to get water into your system right away, first thing during the day before you have your coffee or anything else, just water. And lemon juice and lime juice really, really are good for your system, and they aid in digestion. They'll just help you get things moving. And same thing with the ginger. It's really, really good for all of your gut. So let's get started. I've got a, this is unimportant, but this is because a blender is kind of a blender, but this is a Vitamix, and I have no relationship with Vitamix, but I like them. Got one at the house. They're great. They make great soups, and they also make great smoothies. They're super durable, and they last a long, long time. So some really cold water. This came out of the fridge, so that's not just tepid tap water. And I'll go ahead and add in my lime juice and my ginger. Now I do lots of jujitsu, and I lift weights. And a smoothie after those two things is just, gosh, it's the best. And I hate having to go to the store to buy one. I mean, there are places that sell smoothies, but there's nothing like making one at home on your own. And you could add to it too some protein powder, different things that you could add, but this is going to be a really simple and just plain fruit and water smoothie. All right, so a half cup of frozen strawberries, and I'll measure them, whatever. Or you could use more if you like. So half cup of strawberries and a cup of peaches. This is going to be so tasty. Do y'all like smoothies? Do you like smoothies, Teresa?
I would have to add a little honey in it.
No, you wouldn't. A little bit more. Peach.
But yes,
So-
I love smoothies.
so-
They're great for me.
Yeah, they're wonderful. Any time of
Back
day
to
to me.
school is about to hit. This is a good way to get some nutrition in your children.
Our kid, hey, I'm glad you said that because my kids really, really like smoothies. So yeah, we make them as often as we can. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take our break because there's nothing fun about listening to a Vitamix purr for about 60 seconds. So let's take a quick break, and I'll see you in just a minute. Okay. Beautiful. Now, frozen fruit really will bind up a blender. So if you find it not mixing, just add a little bit more water. Add a little more cold water to mine, and now it's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Ooh, peach and strawberry. Two of my favorite flavors. I'm gonna drink every bit. We'll drink every bit of it. Let's give it a shot. Mmm. Mmm. It's very, very good, and I'm getting the ginger, little ginger finish. So nice and tasty. That's excellent. Fruit smoothies are simple to make. They're super nutritious, and I love them. It's great for summertime, and the kids love them too. So, bon appetit.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.